In the countryside, rumors spread from village to village that the lords of the manor had hired bands of brigades who were on their way to destroy the ripe crops. Rumor means propaganda. Among the peasants, among the farmers, a rumor or a propaganda was spreaded that the lords of the manor or landlords hired the bands of brigands. Bands of brigands means group of robbers. Bands of brigands means group of robbers. So some of the landlords or noble class people who were the owner of land on large scale, they hired group of robbers for destroying the crops of the peasants, for destroying the crops of the farmers. That's why farmers or peasants became frightened. And they had, the farmers or the peasants had taken their agriculture tools like hoes and pitchforks. Hoes and pitchforks are the agriculture tools, agriculture weapons. So having taken in his hand hoes and pitchforks, the farmers and peasants attacked chattox. Chattox means the palaces of the noble class people, the palaces of the landlords or landowners. So the farmers attacked over the palace of the landlord and landowners because they hired group of robbers for destroying the crops of the peasants. And not only farmers attacked over the palaces of the landlord and landowners, but also they burnt the records of manorial dues, and they looted hoarded grain. Hoarded grain means the grain which was stored by the landlord or landowners in their godown. The peasants unlocked their godowns and looted their stored grains. A large number of nobles fled from their homes, many of them migrating to neighboring countries. When peasants or farmers attacked over landlords or landowners or noble class people, then landlords or landowners became frightened, and they started to fled away or run away from their homes. Many of them migrating to neighboring countries. Faced with the power of his revolting subjects, Louis XVI finally accorded recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his powers would from now on be checked by a constitution. Actually, Louis XVI, who was the French king, also became frightened having seen the agitation or the movement of the peasants or farmers in France. And ultimately, he accepted the proposal of the third estate. What was the proposal? The proposal was to organize the National Assembly, and he also accepted that the new constitution would be made and the power of the French king would be limited. And through constitution, National Assembly could keep its eyes over the activity or the functions of the French king. On the night of 4 August 1789, the Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligation and tax. Decree means the government order. So, 4 August 1789, National Assembly implemented a government order, and through this order the feudal system was abolished and taxes, increasing taxes over the people of third estate, that was also removed. And members of the clergy too were forced to give up their privileges. Whatever privileges were provided to the clergy means first estate, or nobility means second estate. National Assembly forced over clergy and nobility to give up their privileges which they had taken by birth. Tithes were abolished. Tithe means the tax which was taken by the church from the landless peasant and poor peasants for their agriculture land, on which agriculture land the poor peasants and the landless peasant used to do agriculture work on the land of the church, on the land of the church. Church used to take taxes on that land from the landless peasant and poor peasants. That tax was called tithe. So tithe means the tax which was taken by the church from the poor peasants and landless peasants for their lands. So tithes were abolished according to decree, according to government order by National Assembly. Tithes were abolished. Abolished means finished. And lands owned by the church were confiscated. As a result, the government acquired assets worth at least 2 billion livres. Confiscated means seize the land of the church by the government. When the government seized or confiscated the lands of the church, then he acquired assets worth at least 2 billion livres. The value of the land which were acquired by the government from the church, the value of that land was 2 billion livres. Livres was the currency of France at that time. Okay, students, I think that this video lecture will be beneficial for you. Best of luck. Thank you very much.